Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what you need: your Commerzbank user ID, PIN, and the Photo TAN app or card reader. Once ready, make sure you are on a private, secure network. This minimizes risk. Open the official Commerzbank app or browser page, then tap or click Login/Anmelden. Enter your user ID and PIN. When prompted, generate a Photo TAN and confirm. This step verifies you, so take one focused moment to match numbers accurately before proceeding. Once logged in, you navigate to the dashboard and accounts to view balances. This gives context for any transfer. To send money, go to Payments, then add beneficiary, enter IBAN, recipient name, and payment purpose, and save if recurring. Next, choose the source account, enter the amount, set an immediate or scheduled date, then preview. When everything looks right, confirm with your Photo TAN or push approval. This sequence reduces errors and speeds future payments by saving frequent recipients. To finish, verify the confirmation screen and keep the email or SMS receipt for records. Check balances update. If something goes wrong, such as a rejected transfer or login error, first recheck your PIN and ensure the Photo TAN code matches and has not expired. Also confirm your device clock and network. If problems persist, use the app's support chat or call Commerzbank support to reset credentials or report an issue. That one quick call usually clears blocks and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.